Well, I am super excited to give you guys this update on our exploration with Las Vegas zip code. Dun, dun, dun. Super excited because everything we are doing is now working. I'm going to show you this really quick. I'm logged on to ballenvegas.com, and you can see here now that the phrase Las Vegas zip code is now in the number 9 position. All right, so we're on page 1 of Google, and keep in mind that that's the average. It depends on location and device and all kinds of things. But you can see that my traffic has gone up, my keyword rankings have gone up, traffic cost has gone up, my Google AdSense income has gone up. So this is definitely the reason that this is happening, is getting that onto page 1. Now, I'm almost scared to mess with it because it's so good, and I want to keep that up there. That being said, I think we need to mess with it, and we need to try to get it up there a little bit higher. All right, so let's go ahead and open that page. Remember, the problem we were having before is that every time the child pages that we had built out for each one of these was cannibalizing that head term. Which was surprising me. I didn't think that they would do that. So this was a good test study that, in fact, yes, absolutely, the smaller child pages can cannibalize the head term. And I think because they were less competitive, they were getting more attention by both the visitor and the search engines, getting more traffic, more engagement. So Google was saying, hey, yes, this child page is the authority on Las Vegas zip code. So we had to do all these redirects and move them back up to get them back up to the parent page. So now we're kind of looking at this going, all right, what needs to happen now? What needs to happen now to get this page higher up on the search engines? All right, so now it's kind of the exploration phase. And what I did is I pulled up one of our competitors, and I've got a look at what other phrases they're using that's bringing up their rankings. And so I'm looking to see if there's anything I missed, and there's one, Las Vegas postal code. So let me just take a look here. We're going to do a quick edit showcase, and I'm going to look for the word postal code. You know, sometimes now we can get into little tiny things like keyword density being like a negative, like maybe I mentioned the word zip code too many times, and so we're starting to kind of compare. Let me see if I use the word postal. I did not. So here I might change this. Okay, as well as a Las Vegas zip code map. Here's a list of Las Vegas. Let's put postal codes. Because sometimes it could just be I don't have enough semantically related keywords on the page. You know, we'll try that. Summerlin zip codes, Vegas zip code. We've got all of those. Ooh. Okay, hold on. Maybe the year. Greater Las Vegas zip codes 2019. Covering. Let's do this. Summerlin, Las Vegas, Henderson. Zip code maps. Let's see if that, I should have done it down here, but let's see what that does to our search title. Nothing. Oops. Let me do it down here. Oh, look at this. I have an old title. Let's change this to 2019. Las Vegas zip code directory. And then let's put Henderson, Las Vegas. And then I want to say something like zip code map. Because now what we want to happen, you guys, zip code directory. I don't want that to cut off. What we want to happen now is we want our click-through rate to go up.